Volkswagen has discontinued the Tiguan Allspace and the T-Roc SUVs in India. The automaker silently pulled the plug on the Tiguan Allspace 7-seater offering a few weeks ago, and the model has now been removed from the company's website as well. Volkswagen India confirmed the development and said that the Tiguan Allspace was sold out for the 2021 model year, which is why it's no more on sale in the country. Meanwhile, the website shows that bookings for the 2021 T-Roc have been closed. The midsize SUV recently received a facelift in international markets, and that's likely the reason why the model has been pulled off the shelves in India too. Do note that both the Tiguan Allspace and the T-Roc arrived in India as completely built units and in limited numbers. The Tiguan Allspace will be replaced by the upcoming Tiguan 5-seater facelift that will be locally assembled and will draw power from the same 2-litre TSI petrol engine. The Tiguan 5-seater will go on sale on the 7th of December this year. BMW has unveiled its new Concept XM at Art Basel's 2021 Miami Beach show. The new Concept SUV previews what will be the most powerful M car from the Bavarian automaker. The production spec BMW XM SUV will be revealed next year, and it will go into production towards the end of 2022 at the BMW Group plant at Spartanburg in the US. The new BMW XM Performance SUV will be available in a plug-in hybrid version only and exclusively as an M model. It will be the first standalone vehicle from the performance brand since the M1 and will sport a highly progressive design, while power will come from the newly developed M hybrid drive system. It combines a V8 engine with a high-performance electric motor to develop a whopping 738 brake horsepower and 1000 Nm of peak torque. It will be the first electrified vehicle from the BMW M brand in the high-performance segment. Bengaluru-based Ather Energy has announced its second manufacturing facility in Hosur, Tamil Nadu. The company opened its first manufacturing unit here earlier this year, scaling up production of the 450X and 450 Plus electric scooters. The announcement arrives as the company witnesses strong demand for its offerings and will expand annual production to 4 lakh units from the current 1,20,000 units per year. The new plant is scheduled to be operational sometime in 2022. Ather fast-tracked its expansion plans on the back of the best ever monthly sales in October 2021. The company says it registered a 12-fold growth over last year, achieving a revenue run rate of $100 million. The manufacturer says this makes it the largest EV maker by value in the segment. The company, though, does not share sales numbers as a policy. Ather's long-term plan aims to build a production capacity of 5 lakh units per annum with an investment of 650 crore rupees.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.